Good morning, 5K. Happy Wednesday, my loves. What we're going to do today is we're going to start with our doubles wrap. You guys did a great job on your math tests yesterday. Thank you for working so hard on those. My loves, I want you to look here and we're going to say the doubles wrap together. Ready, set, go. It's the doubles, baby. Let's go, let's go. It's the doubles, baby. And we start with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh, 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10 again. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Really keen. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. Good job. Let me ask you quick. What is 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 equals 8. Yeah. What does 2 plus 2 equal? 4. How about 8 plus 8? 8 plus 8 equals 16. Really keen. 16. All right, my loves, what we're going to do today, here's our learning target. We're going to learn how to add 1 to a number. So you will add 1 to a number. So this is what we will get to after we practice our math facts. What I would like you to do, my loves, is grab your packet. And you did this morning with Miss Ott. You just colored this bottom part of the Israelites walking through the Red Sea. You're going to turn to the next page where you see 36 here at the top. I'm going to do these top 2 rows with you, and then you are going to do the bottom 2 rows by yourself. So grab your packet, and you're going to need a pencil. So your packet and a pencil. All right. Let me scoot you closer so you can see. All right. Packet, pencil. I'm going to use a marker. All right, my loves. When you're ready, park your pencil. All right, your pencil is parked. My loves, what I would like you to do is grab your name tag also. So in case you don't remember, we can hop on our name tag because you're not always going to have the devil's wrap in front of you. The first thing you're going to do once you have your math facts and your name tag and your pencils, you're going to write your name at the top. So write your name at the top and then stop. We always write our names on our papers. So when your name is on, you can park your pencil. We're going to start here with 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5? Yeah, good. If you don't know, we're going to hop on our name tag. So even if you did say the right answer, what I want you to do is take your finger. We're going to follow these directions. The top one tells us where to begin. We're going to start at the number 5. So everybody, I want you to put your finger under number 5. Don't put it on top because you can't see it. So put it under number 5. And then the next direction says how many more we're going to hop. How many are we going to hop? 5 more. So everybody's fingers under 5. Hop and count 5 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number are we at? Yeah, we're at the number 10. So take your pencil. Under 5 plus 5, you're going to write a 10. What number goes first in a 10? Yeah, 1. So you're going to write a 1 and then a 0. If you write the 0 first, you have to erase it because that's not right. Park your pencil. 3 plus 3 equals... Yeah, if you don't know, let's count. So where are we to start? The top number tells us. Those are our directions. It says start at 3. So everybody touch under number 3. And how many more are we going to hop? 3 more. Hop 3 more with me. Ready? Go. 1. I want you to hop on your name tag. 2. And 1 more. 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6 kicks. So take your pencil. 3 plus 3 equals 6. If it does not look like this, erase it, please. Some of you are making your 6s backwards, I've noticed. Park your pencil. We're going to do the next one. It says 7 plus 7. Ooh, tricky. The numbers are getting bigger. All right, if you don't know, let's hop. I want everybody to do this with me. Even if you know all these answers, it's good to practice hopping for when you don't know an answer. So we're going to start at 7. Put your finger under 7, and we're going to hop 7 more. Count 7 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number are we at? A 1 and a 4 is the number 14. It's a teen number. A 1 goes first. A 1 and then a 4, right? 14 under 7 plus 7. Great work. Park your pencil. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Yeah, 1. And you hop 1 more. You're at the number 2. So take your pencil, write the number 2. Make sure your 2 has a point over there. Okay, it shouldn't look like an S. Park your pencil. Oh boy, look at this one. 9 plus 9. Woo, those are big ones. Where are we going to start for our hopping? At 9. How many more are we hopping? 9 more. Here we go. Hop 9 with me on your name tag. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number are we at? Holy smokes. It's a big one. 18. It's a teen number. The 8's at the back, but the 1 goes first. If there's a 1 going first, it's a teen number. 18. So take your pencil. You're going to write a 1 and then an 8. You have to write the 1 first. If you don't, eventually you're going to get it wrong. I'll know what you mean today, but after Christmas, I'm going to mark them wrong because then that's the number 81. Ooh. All right, park your pencil. Let's do the next one. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals, 4. 2, and I have 2 more. 1, 2. Take your pencil, write the number 4. We're going to do 6 plus 6. Everybody touch the number 6. So find it on your name tag. How many more are we hopping? 6 more. All right, count with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number are we at? We got to right here. What number is that? 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. A 1 first, and then a 2. All right, park your pencil. 0 plus 0 equals, 0. If you have nothing and then I give you nothing, you still have nothing, right? A 0. Park your pencil. 2 left. Then you're going to finish the rest by yourself. 4 plus 4 equals, do you remember? Let's start at 4. That's what it says. And it says hop 4 more. So hop 4 more. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. Take your pencil. You're going to write an 8. Park your pencil. Last one. 8 plus 8. So I need to do it the direction. See, if I don't remember what the answer is, we're going to hop. Start at 8. Everybody touch under 8. Even if you know what the answer is, please still touch under 8. We're going to hop 8 more. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What number are we at? A 1 and a 6 is 16. A teen number starts with the number 1 and a 6. All right, my loves, we're going to be done with this for now. You're going to finish the rest of this by yourself, hopping if you need to. If you know the answers, great, write them down. but I want you to not have to look at the doubles wrap, okay? You should just know how to do these now or know how to hop. My loves, what you're going to do is turn to the next page in your packet. It looks like this. You see fact cards up in here in this baggie. What I want you to do is take these fact cards off. Take them off and open up your baggie and take these out. We're going to use these. Now, listen very carefully, please. Stop, freeze, look at me. You're going to take them out. You're going to take, if yours has a paper clip on it, you're going to take the paper clip off and you're just going to set these on the table just like this. Don't mess up the pile. They're in a special order. If you mess it up, it's going to be really hard for you. Just put the pile on the table. See mine? And just leave them. The only thing you need are your fact cards and your pencil. Okay, so just leave these on the table. Park your pencil right next to it. I told you earlier that we were going to learn our learning target. Our student-friendly learning target was to add 1 to a number. That's what we're going to do right now. So all of these cards, I'm going to give you a little hint. They have something the same. I want you to see if you can find the thing that is the same. My loves, what you are going to do is you are going to take the top 2 cards off your pile. They look like this. Mine are big and yellow so you can see them easier. Take your top 2 off your pile and set them over here and keep your other pile of all your other cards over here. Okay, so here's my one pile with all my cards. Here are these 2. Giving you a second to get organized. My loves, these are all adding 1 facts because you see a plus and a 1, a plus and a 1. So we are adding 1. We're getting 1 more. We're going to do that to every math fact in our pile. So my loves, I want you to look here. We have these 2 math facts. And look at, I want to teach you something. Look very carefully. Do you see this? Look, 1 and a 0, a 1 and a 0. They have the same numbers, but the numbers just switched places, right? Here the 1 is on top and the 0's on the bottom. Well, now the 1's not on top. Now the 1's on the bottom and the 0's on top. So the numbers just switched places. So we call these switch around facts. Can you say that with me? My turn first. Switch around facts. Your turn. Switch around facts. They just switched places. The answer is going to be the same because it doesn't matter if the numbers switch places. You're still going to have the same answer. I'll show you that. So these are switch around facts. The numbers just switch places. My loves, we're going to do what this says. It says I need to get 1 thing. Okay, so I have cubes here. So if I put 1 cube in my hand, and then it says plus 0, so I add no more. Okay, how many cubes do I have? 1. I didn't add any more. So 1 plus 0 stays at 1. You got it. All right, so what I want you to do is you're going to turn your fact card over. You're writing on the back. So you are going to turn these over and you are going to write on the back, you're going to write a number 1. Psst, I want to show you something. When you have plus 0, it's like the 0's not even there. So you can just cross it off. So the only number that's left is a 1. That's why we write that. You're so smart. Look at me teaching you all these little secrets. So if I cross off that 0, all I have is 1. You're writing your number 1 on the back. I write it on the front so you can see. Okay. Park your pencil when you're done. You're going to take these 2 cards. You're going to keep them together and you're just going to push them up here because you're done. Okay. They're not going back to this pile yet. We're going to keep them separate. I want you to grab just your next card, just 1. This one doesn't have a switch around fact because it would be the same thing. It would also say 1 plus 1, just like this. So you only have 1 of them. But we know this, don't we? Because it's a doubles. It's one of our doubles facts. So if I have 1 cube and I add 1 more, that's what our learning target is, add 1 more. How many do I have? 1, 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh! My loves, what I would like you to do is turn over your 1 plus 1, and on the back you're going to write the answer. The answer is 2. You're writing that on the back. When you're done, park your pencil. And then this card, since you're all done with it, is going to go up here by these cards that you have done. We do this so we stay organized. We want our workspace to stay organized. We do that at school too. I tell you where to put them all at school, okay? We use our name tags and our pencil boxes. So I want you to stay organized. My loves, I want you to grab your next 2 math facts. 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2, and put those in front of you. All right, so it says we need to do what it says. 2, and I add 1 more. So if I put 2 cubes in a tower, 1, 2, and now I add 1 more on the top. Let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3. 2 and 1 more makes 3. Hold on a second. Let's not write the answer yet. Let me do this one. If I start with 1, and then I add 2 more. 1, 2. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3. It's the same answer. Do you see? So the switch around fact, even though the numbers switched places, the answer is still the same. I can do it on my name tag. 2, and I hop 1 more. 2, and I hop 1 more. 1 is the number 3. Yeah, I'm just going 1 more to the next number. So 2, and I add 1 more is 3. I just hop to the next number. My loves, you're going to turn these over. On the back, you're going to write the number 3 because 2 and 1 more makes 3. On the back, write 3 on both cards. You're doing great. You don't write it on the front, you write it on the back so you can play that game, right? All right, my loves, these go up here to your done pile. We want to stay organized. Part of being in school is learning how to be a big kid and being organized. You're going to take your next 2 math facts, 3 plus 1 and 1 plus 3. Switch around facts, right? Numbers just switch places. So I have a tower of 3. 1, 2, 3. If I add 1 more, what do you think my answer is going to be? 3, and I add 1 more. Now how many do you think I'm going to have? Let's see if you're right. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, look. If I'm at 3 and I hop 1 more, 1, I'm at the number 4. So 3 and 1 more makes 4. And when I add 1 to a number, I just go to the next number on my number line. So if I'm at 3 and I'm adding 1, well, my next number is 4. So my loves, on the back of each one, you are going to write the number 4. 3 and 1 more makes 4. Why do these have the same answer? Yeah, because they're switch around facts. You got it. All right. When you're done writing 4s on the back, you're going to put these up into your done pile. And you can grab your next 2 cards. 4 plus 1 and 1 plus 4. Awesome. All right. My loves, what number do you think we're going to write for our answer? If we're at 4 and we add 1 more. If I hop 1 more to the next number. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I add 1 more, now how many do you think I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and I can show you here on our name tag. If we have 4 and we hop 1 more, now we're at 5. My loves, on the back of each one, you're going to write the number 5. It's the same answer because they are a switch around fact. It doesn't matter if the 4 is on top or on the bottom. 4 and you have one more is 5. On the back, you're writing 2 5s. Okay. When you're done, I'm trying to give you time to do it. You're going to put these in your done pile. If you're already there, that's great. Then you can pull your next ones and just wait for me. Your next cards are 5 plus 1 and 1 plus 5. All right. If I have 5 and I hop one more, what number am I at? We're not going to use cubes anymore because I want you to be able to do it on your name tag. So if I'm at 5 and I hop one more, I want you to grab your name tag. I want you to start at 5 and I want you to hop one more. 5 and I hop one more is 6. Yeah, adding 1 means I just go one more to the next number. So 5 plus 1 is 6. On both cards, my loves, on the back, you are going to write 6. 5 and one more makes 6. Right, when you're done, you're going to push these up to the done pile. And you're going to pull out your next 2, 6 plus 1, and 1 plus 6. You're doing a good job being organized. These are the ones we have to do yet. This is what we're working on. This is what is done. That's being organized. If I have 6 and I get one more, what number am I at now? If you don't know, look at your name tag. 6, and I hop one more. 1 is the number. Yeah, the number 7 on the back of these two cards, 1 plus 6 and 6 plus 1. You're going to write the number 7. They have the same answer because they are switch around facts, right? Write your 7 on the back of each one. And then put these up in your done pile. Almost done. You're doing great. Take your 7 plus 1 and your 1 plus 7. What do you think the answer is? If I'm at 7 and somebody gives me one more, now I have 7 and one more makes 7 and one more makes 8. So on the back, turn them over. On the back, you're going to write crazy 8. Don't write it on the front like me. You're writing it on the back. My loves, when you see a 1 plus 7, I always start at the bigger number. 1 is not the bigger number. I will get 8 if I start at 1 and hop 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I do get to 8, but that takes so long. Don't do that. Start at the bigger number. Start at 7 and hop 1. 7 and I hop one more is 8. Done. Super fast. So that's my little trick for you. Always start at the bigger number. Put these up into your done pile and then grab 8 plus 1 and 1 plus 8. All right. If I have 8 and I get one more, what number do you think I'm going to be at? 8 and one more makes 8 and one more makes 9. On the back, turn them both over. On the back, you're going to write 9. Awesome. When you're done, put them in your done pile. Then you're going to grab your last 2. Woohoo! This is a longer lesson, boys and girls. I'm sorry, you're doing a good job following along with me, but you've been busy the whole time doing something, right? So that makes it go by faster. 9 and one more. If I give you 9 Skittles, and then you get one more from Miss Ott, now how many do you have? 9. And one more makes, 10. The next number is 10. Adding 1 means we hop one more to the next number. 10 on the back. You're going to write a 10, a 1 first, and then a 0 is the number 10 on the back. 9 and one more. I hop one more to the next number is 10. My loves, did we meet our target? Did we learn how to add 1 to a number? Yeah, we did. These are all of our adding ones. Plus 1 facts. My loves, what you're going to do is put these in a pile. And you can put these back in your baggie. And I want you to keep these so that you can play that game. You wrote your answers on the back so that when you have these in your hand, 9 and one more makes 10. If you look at the back, you're right. Then you get to put it down because you got it right. If you got it wrong, if you said 8, oh, no, it's not 8, then you keep it in your hand, okay? So put these back in your baggie because you're going to use these to play that game and practice these math facts, okay? That's why you have these. Keep these in a safe place. My loves, what we're going to do next is we are going to do our worksheet. You had this open. You took your math facts off 36A. So you need that and your pencil. No crayons today. All right, my loves, we're going to try to go quick because this math lesson has been long, but we did a lot of learning. So what I need you to do is write your name at the top and then stop. All right, you're going to write your name at the top. Park your pencil. What number is this? Remember I told you that trick yesterday? If you don't know, say a 3 and a 3. A 3 and a 3 makes 33. Makes 33. Good. 33 is a 3 and a 3. My loves, you're going to take your pencil and you are going to trace them twice and write it twice. Lots of practice with 3s, touching all 3 of those lines. Top, middle, and bottom. And then you know what to do on that last 33. We're going to draw a line. Which one of those 3s is in the tens place? The 3 on the left or the 3 on the right? Yeah, the 3 on the left is in the tens place. You're going to write a T. Which 3 is in the ones place? How many extras? And the 3 on the right. This is my left hand. This is my right. So you're going to write an O for 1. Park your pencil. Here's your story. This might sound familiar to you. It says 8 children were in line. 3 children had to go back to their seats. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the number of children in line now. Okay, so we need to draw the kids, right? So it says there were 8 children in line. So what do we need to do? Yeah, we need to draw 8 faces. Just eyes and a smile, all right? 8 of them. Whisper count. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're done, park your pencil. Make sure you have 8. Go back and double check. All right, you should have 8. It shouldn't take you too long. We're just making faces. It says 3 children had to go back to their seats. Ooh, they weren't listening. They had to go sit down. What are we going to do to show that 3 children had to go sit down? And we're going to cross them off. We're going to start at the back. Cross off 3. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. All right, my sweets, we need to write a number sentence. How many children did we start with? Do you remember? Let's touch and count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We started with 8, so you're going to write the number 8. Did we get some more? Did we lose some? Yeah, we lost some. Oh, we need a minus. Say minus, minus. A minus means we lost some. How many did we lose? Make sure you made your minus sign. How many did you cross off? 3. Number, sign, number, sign. I need a sign. 8 minus 3 equals. How many kids are still in line? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids are in line. Write a 5. Keep your pencil in your hand. It says how many children are in line now? 5. You're going to write 5. There are 5 left in line. We write the same answer again. All right. Oh, these apple seeds are tricky. It says draw different ways to show 10 apple seeds. My loves, we're going to do these together. What we're going to do is we're going to make 2 seeds over here. 1, 2. Now we need to be careful because we can't have our seeds smashing into each other. We're going to keep counting and making seeds until we get to 10. I'm going to tell you something. You have to make them little. They got to fit in that little apple, but you got to leave space so I can see them, okay? So we have 1, 2. Now we're going to go over here. Your pencil's in your hand. We're going to keep counting after 2 comes. 3, 4. Make another one. 5. Make another one. 6. Make another one. 7. Make another one. 8. Make another one. 9. Make another one. 10. We stop at 10. Now we can write in how many we put on each side. How many did we put on the left? Yeah, 2 seeds. And then we kept counting until we got to 10. So we don't have 10 seeds over here on the left. We stopped at the number 10. We need to count how many seeds we have. So count them with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to write the number 8. 8 and 2 more makes 10. All right, this time let's put 4 on the left side. So put 4 seeds. 1, leave a space. 2, leave a space. 3, leave a space. 4. We need to keep counting till we get to 10. So after 4 comes 5. So draw a seed over here on the right. This seed is number 5. Draw another one. 6. Draw another one. 7. Draw another one. 8. Draw another one. 9. Draw another one. 10. Stop when we count to number 10, right? How many seeds do we make on the left? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to write the number 4. We don't make those triangle 4s, right? How many seeds do we make on the right side? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We write 6 right here. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. 1 left. Let's do 5 seeds on the left side. Make 5 with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need to keep going to get to 10, but we're going to make them on the other side. So 5, after 5 comes 6. Make another one. 7. Make another one. 8. Make another one. 9. Make another one. 10. Now we need to write how many. Count with me over here on the left. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to write a 5. How many seeds are on the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to write another 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right. It says write the number that is one more. Oh, we're doing our learning target again. Adding 1 to a number. So 4. And I write the number that is one more. Do you see how they have a line after it? Who comes behind number 4? 4 and one more makes 5. So we're going to write the number 5. Awesome. A 1 and a 3 is a teen number. That's the number 13. So find 13 on your name tag. It's right here. 13, and I hop one more. One more is the number 14. So you'd write 14. A 1 first, and then a 4. Now this next number I don't have on my name tag. A 2 and a 2 makes 22. My number line only goes to 20. What comes after 22? If I'm counting 20, 21, 22, 23. After a 2 and a 2 is going to come a 2 and a 3. You got it. All right, my loves, we did hit our learning target, didn't we? We did add 1 to a number on our math fact cards and down here for question number 4. You are going to finish question number 5, these double facts by yourself. You are going to finish your math facts on the other page, on page 36. And then both of these pages, ask your grown-up to upload a picture to the blue math folder, okay? So 36A and your math facts from 36. Bye, my sweets. I love you, and I'm so proud of you. Thanks for joining me for this long math meeting. It was a lot, but thank you for being patient. You did great.